Hi, Pravitika. Good morning. Welcome to the Club 645. I'm Lana, and it's a place where I became flexible, strong, and healthier. Today, I prepared for you Relax Flow. Previous two classes, you can find them by link in the bio. It was, we already done Pasha class, and hip mobility one was yesterday. So if you're interested in them, you can get them by the link in bio. Yeah. Super. Good morning. My mom also trained with us. So we are starting today from first position. And let's go actually all the way to the child pose. Take deep inhale and exhale through the mouth. One more time. Inhale and exhale. With a new inhale, you're going to tuck your tailbone in, round your spine, and you're going to go all the way almost to the cobra, but not. When you go with your shoulders to the area of your nails, then you tuck your tailbone up and go back to the child pose. And we're going to do three more of this. Inhale, round spine, posterior tilt. When your shoulders reach the max, as much as you can go forward here, then you tuck your tailbone up and anterior tilt, you go back. And two more. Inhale and exhale. І нагадую, що в понеділок у нас стартує гнучке та фактурне 3.0. Буде теж дуже цікаво. And one more time. Well done, and now you stay in the center. You're going to elevate the knees, because even during the relaxed flow, it's really important to activate the muscles, and then they can relax better. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the knees down, and now extend the right foot or the left, doesn't matter which one first, and you're going to bring the same arm, which leg straight all the way up. Inhale. If your shoulder open deeper, more than a straight line, let it go and allow us to go as much as possible to back. It feels very good. Exhale, we go to the twist. Exhale. Well done. And now we walk forward to the puppy pose with the leg on the side. 3, 2, 1. Come back, and now slide the leg forward, and then all the way cross back, or if your knees allows you, you place the other knee close to the knee and go to the child pose. And then you go draw kind of half a circle here and back. And two more. Well done. Last but not least, and now walk forward while you're in a lizard pose. Extend that back foot and pump. Try to pump with a straight leg back, because when you activate your legs, you engage more parts of your body, and it's really important because I'm going to show you the difference when you use your muscles. Like this, for example, and you feel nice stretch, and then, for example, later you want to go to the back bend, your pelvis gonna help you, and you're gonna be busy just with back bending. But if you're sitting like this and you, how to say, you're just chilling on your joints, так, хто любить повисіти на суглобах, і потім, коли захочеться прогнутися назад, то тут ще треба буде погратися і вистроїти баланс. І тоді ви не тільки даєте роботу мозку і тілу, прогин назад, і ще плюс компенсацію ці всі, щоб ваша констракшн не розвалилася. Ось, а коли ноги включаються, і особливо ця зона, то все буде класно. So we're gonna switch the leg. Up. You will not fall asleep. And we are starting from the twist. Inhale. Exhale. Try as well to engage your knee muscle. Exhale, twist. One more inhale. Exhale. Back to the center, puppy pose. Inhale. Exhale. Of course, you're welcome to stay in this position longer. And what's cool about it with the video is that you always can stop it. Stay in the position as much as you need. And then you can press play and continue, right? That's cool. So, and we're gonna start to draw half circles to the front and then all the way across. That's option 1. You can do just like this. Or option 2, if your knees allows you. We can go all the way to the child pose with the eagle legs and come back. Kamakasana, right? Oh my God. Starting, forgetting. And 2. Well done. Wow, I have some. Thank you so much for the comments. I'm gonna check them after the class. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can write to them and I will check it. Now I have 2 live streams, so one is, I think on one people really work out and another one they like to comment. Okay, that's nice. Thank you. It's helped me to grow the channel. And now we go to the lizard pose, extend the knee, and we palm back, activate the nerve fascia, because fascia activates only when you kind of do like this movement to her. The fascia, it's a layer under your skin, which look like a sponge kind of. 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe you can engage your legs. And a little trick, for example, if you were standing here and then your teacher says like, or you get the idea, lift it up, how to go from here, you kind of squeeze 2 legs inside. Тож, якщо ви переходите з позиції, коли ви внизу наверх, такий маленький тіп, ви просто типу ніби 2 ноги вкручуєте так всередину, і тоді з'являється ця стабільність. I hope it was useful. Let me know in the word stability if it was useful for you. Прекрасно. Після цього йдемо в Анахатасану. Now we go to Anahata. One more time. And we go through the wave to the elbow plank. And we stay in this plank for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And nice wave all the way up. Here I recommend to open your arms to the side. And now take a tailbone, chin down and all the way up. A tailbone also kind of going in here. Because if you engage your tailbone as well, you can use your abs as well to divide your back bend between all these groups. Maybe stay here. As well, again, I'm never going to be tired to remind that when we do back bend, we don't go back, kind of. First, you go like this forward. You bring your chest like this direction. So in the end, it's going kind of back. But first, it's important to engage your abs as well and hips. And just go back. Well done. Now open your arms to the side and we're going to do a Let's scorpio tap. Just try to do a twist and tap with your toe the floor, maybe with your heel. And one more time. That was a relaxed flow. Let me know how it was. Because I believe when you have 10 minutes, it still needs to be just a little bit some plank. Will be a nice final for us today. 4, 3 yoga seconds, 2, and 1. Inhale, upward facing dog. Now you're ready to do a few sun salutations. Let me know how much you're doing in the morning, if you are. And now walk forward, because I believe you will press the pause, for example, do some salutations, and after you can finish with us. Or we can do it together now. Hug your elbows, release your upper body, maybe slightly bend your knees. Inhale, exhale. Maybe grab the wrist lock. Feels so much safer. Seems like my handstand coach just believe in me too much that now I see the real acrobatic school classes, and it's insane. I have a lot of fear to do some classes, exercises, where now we like slowly get into one arm balance. I mean, with support, but still, and it's insane. And that was cool about body, that you always can open a new skill or new possibility. Sit legs crossed in front of you. Close your eyes. Take deep inhale. Hold the breathing. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Thank yourself for this practice. I thank you for the practice, and have a lovely day and weekends. In case you're gonna have a mood to do more, you can find 2 previous classes in a group, link in bio. It's in Telegram, or you can just write that you cannot find. Thank you so much. And now I'm gonna talk with you guys.